We are obsessed with the idea of creating clever and unique logos. But I'm here to tell you that logos are a little bit overrated. So, I have some anti advice on how to design logos. Number one, don't overcomplicate things, just keep it simple. Use clear shapes that you can quickly reproduce. You want a logo that you can adapt to any media. It needs to look good on checks, invoices, newspaper ads, and faxes. Yes, people still send faxes. It also needs to work in small sizes, like tiny sizes. Your logo has to be legible on a 16 by 16 pixel favicon. It needs to be visible at the bottom of concert posters, printed next to like 20 other sponsors. You can get a little crazy, but not too crazy. Number two, don't obsess about being original. Everybody will tell you that your logo needs to be unique, it needs to be different. Not really. I'm sorry, but somebody has already done what you're trying to do. Don't believe me? Look at these logos. Is this Ubuntu's logo or is it Human Rights First? Is it Sun Microsystems or Columbia Sportswear? Don't you think the Carrier's logo looks a bit like Ford's? Is this Instagram's logo or is it a Photoshop default gradient? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Just to be clear, I'm not saying that it's okay to steal other people's work. I'm just saying that it's kind of a waste of time trying to be too original. If anything, be familiar. Try to use elements that people would quickly notice. You can use an abstract shape, a readable typeface, or a form that is easily recognizable. And don't be afraid to be obvious or boring. You can use something that communicates what the company wants to represent, what they stand for, or what they sell. I mean, look at the Red Cross logo. It's a red cross. Look at Apple's logo. It's an apple. Next, don't obsess about colors. Instead, try to make a logo that works in black and white. Yes, color is an essential part of your brand, but the logo has to work in a color agnostic way. A logo with a rich palette might look great on a screen with millions of colors, but does it work on top of a dark and light background? What about a sweatshirt where maybe you can only afford to use one color? What about a tattoo? Don't you want your loyal fans to draw your icon on their skin? Number 5, don't make something just because it's cool. Trends come and go. Overusing whatever fad it's happening will make your logo look old in a couple of months. Avoid creating a logo that depends on special effects or filters. So, my advice to you when creating a logo is don't overthink it. Just follow basic design principles and create something that is legible, is simple, and is easy to replicate. Remember that your logo is just a tiny piece of a living brand system. Users engage with a product through a ton of different touch points. The logo is not always the first object they interact with. If you think about it, we're moving to a world where you don't even see logos. For example, now you can use voice commands to get an Uber. In the future, there might not even be a need for user interfaces. Does that mean that my job as a designer is in danger? Another reason why you shouldn't overthink it and try to start with the perfect logo is that a design system is always changing. It adapts, it's alive. The colors get some tiny adjustments, the typography receives some modifications, the spacing gets a little bigger. And guess what? Logos change too. They will get small tweaks here and there. The logo is less about how you design it and more about how you use it, how it coexists with the rest of your system. The logo is always there, but it blends in and disappears.